tell us about what students can do there, and maybe we'll dive into some examples after.
Yeah, so if you go to that space, the STEM Discovery Lab, students will learn coding, like scratch coding. We do coding competitions. We also do Lego Robotics, both for fun. We have our own robotics program called Robo-Rumble Rivals, where the kids do battle bots using Lego and compete. And we have our own regionals. We also participate in the first Lego League, and we have currently 6 teams that compete in the first Lego League.
And let's talk about some of the Lego examples in robotics. Specifically, what are children making, or what are some unique examples that they're, I mean, we're in March break, and they're in there right now doing a program. So what things are they making?
Yeah, so right now we took a previous season from the first Lego League, where the kids will learn how to build competitive robots and how to program competitive robots to achieve a really high score. Every single year, the challenge changes. So this gives teams and students an opportunity to continue that learning and to prepare themselves for the following season.
All right, I'm with Jonathan Morgan here from Imperial Oil, and we're standing in one of the spaces right here. So $50,000, in my opinion, is a large sum to donate, but in your opinion, is that reserved for unique programs, or is that pretty standard with Imperial Oil?
Yeah, I would say for the Sarnia area, it's definitely a significant commitment. If you look at our long-standing history with the schools here, when we learned about masterminds and just thought that would be like the perfect fit with a focus on STEM, and obviously how well that plays with our industry, and we're always looking for the future, it's just a perfect fit.
And as you stand here in the space and you've looked at both of them, I mean, what are your thoughts? Is there a feeling of like achievement or pride there?
Yeah, it's an incredible space. I mean, I know you guys are going to look around, but just all of the tools, all of the equipment, the robotics equipment, the 3D printers, right? It's just a pretty amazing space from when you're preparing for a future in STEM, and the children here, I think, are going to have a really great time with these projects and using all this equipment.